Ka Directorate of Legal Metrology henne ka singi ka khatway terek unai tung kalawan sa khamat ban panchai halor ki jing trekam jong ka nekatnan ka bapet ya karukom thau rukom wo ya ki mar ki mata kom ki jan ki nam ki juti ki mobile phone bat ki we de kan thopru ya ka umpniang petrol bat ka diesel kani katnan klasim ba ki pat ba hi hadu manta kimtem ban ujor halor ki jing ba ki yakando na kada ko jing duna jo ki nong trei hakani katnan.
Legal metrology is implementing the rules of the Government of India. In the Government of India, we are under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs. And through the Consumer Affairs, we have put in place the Meghalaya Legal Metrology Act 2009, Legal Metrology Package Commodity Rules 2010, and also we have the Meghalaya Legal Metrology Acts and Rules, which we have formulated in the year 2010. We are answerable to the consumers. Our duty is to ensure that the traders are doing their job and giving the right measurements and the right exact measures so that there is no public complaint.